Brazilian agricultural aviation industry is undergoing a real revolution in the last years. Not only the aircraft market is booming, with more and more planes landing each year in South America, but the entire production chain linked to aerial application is flying fast. One of the highlights is the increasing use of rotary atomizer nozzles, along with new technology from the chemical industry to ensure more efficient and safer applications. From the southern rice and beans to the northern cotton crops, from the western corn fields to the eastern coffee plantations, hundreds of ag pilots are spraying the most diverse types of fungicides and insecticides in this way. The reasons for the increasing use of rotary atomizers are many. From a mechanical point of view, the reduction in the number of nozzles on the boom means less need for maintenance. The atomizers also allows the regulation of different flow rates, from ultra-low volume up to 3 gallons per acre or 30 liters per hectare, ensuring great versatility. The equipment guarantees a very high uniformity in the size of droplets, with very low relative span, that is, a very precise control in the droplet spectrum, ensuring environmental and health safety. The droplet size is ideal for applying fungicides and insecticides, ensuring the best possible coverage of crops and better plant health protection. The equipment also enables great operational profitability, making it possible to work in more areas in a single flight. This entire changing process in Brazil has very strong scientific and agronomic support. Many agronomists in the country have specialized in this subject, and the droplet size has only been evolving more and more. Much research work is being carried out in the field and also in the laboratories to ensure safe application standards. Many aircraft clinics are being conducted in several companies before the spraying season to ensure the perfect calibration of the equipment. Brazilian agricultural aviation has demonstrated there is no trade-off between efficiency and operational safety in aerial application, because it's possible to achieve both at the same time. Brazilian farmers have gained a lot from international cooperation, bringing new knowledge and technologies to the country. Now, they have mastered the so-called tropical agriculture, and they have a lot to contribute to the world as well.